According to Internet Life Stats, there are over 1.5 billion websites on the World Wide Web today. If you want to capture data from these websites, you have to dig into the HTML, which is a treasure trove of information. For example, you can scrape HTML to collect product and pricing data, company data, and more. In fact, search engines scrape HTML to curate and improve their search results by collecting data from various websites. The fastest and easiest way is to get the HTML of a website by using an HTML scraping tool that requires no coding or technical skills. The good news is that Hexomatic can capture the HTML from websites in bulk, literally in a few minutes. And I'm now going to guide you through the process in all the details. To get started, you need to have a Hexomatic.com account, a simple point-and-click workflow automation and web scraping platform that lets you leverage the internet as your own data source. Once you have an account, let's get started. Go to your dashboard and create a new workflow with data input. Then, collect the list of websites from where you want to scrape HTML data. Then I'll show you how to add the URLs to Hexomatic. The fastest way is simply copy-pasting the URLs using data input and manual paste list of inputs option. Let's add our URLs and go ahead. Now, we will add the HTML grabber automation of Hexomatic, selecting data input as the source for the automation. By clicking continue, we will go to the next step and run the workflow. Once the results are ready, we can export them to Google Sheets. See how fast and easy it is. If you like our videos, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And don't hesitate to drop a comment if you have any ideas for our future tutorials. Thank you, and I'll talk to you soon.